that it is for Turkey's interest to stop the state of emergency, release journalists and the head of Amnesty International and the German citizens and everyone who is in jail without judicial process. The accession talks with Turkey have been frozen because of the violation of human rights and the aftermath of the coup. I don't agree with the image of Europe dangling a carrot and spanking Turkey if it is not behaving. We should work with the chapters we have in our disposal, showing to the Turkish citizens and to the Turkish government that we are there to support, to help. Is President Erdogan ready to accept rule of law, respect of human rights, the Copenhagen criteria? If yes, let's start tomorrow. If not, he must take responsibility to the Turkish people that the roadmap to Europe is blocked by him. He must lead Turkey to its future, which in my opinion passes through the European Union. Turkey's position in the world must combine with Europe's, but that cannot happen unless Turkey decides that it is so.